How did bird poop make one country so wealthy that Europe went to war over it? In 1800s Peru, its islands were buried under something extraordinary, 150 feet of bird droppings. But this wasn't ordinary waste. It was white gold, the world's best fertilizer. Worth $16,000 per ton in today's money, it generated $13 billion for Peru and was so valuable that Peru eliminated all taxes. The craziest part, European warships fought over it, and Peru used bird poop as collateral for massive loans from London banks. But here's the plot twist. By 1900, the 11 million ton mountain of bird poop vanished. The million-dollar lesson? The weirdest opportunities often create the biggest fortunes if you can handle the smell. Want more bizarre money stories? Hit subscribe.